Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this video is part 2 of all the government internships which I have listed for you people. So in first part I have already told about 16 internships because this is slide 16, and in this part actually I have 46 total government internships listed. So yeah, I'll try to complete all of those if it is possible in this part. Let's start with the video. And yes, this video is for everyone, irrespective of your branch. No matter you are science student, arts, commerce, it doesn't matter because all these internships are for everyone. Everyone can apply. See, like this I have already covered in first video. Here you can see that everyone can apply. Science, engineering, as this is ISC Bangalore, so art students of course cannot. Uh, Participate, but there are internships which I'll tell in this video only, where art students can also apply, and those are really very prestigious internships. So be with me till end. Earth science, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, you know, any field, everyone can apply. These internships I have not listed according to subjects. Whatever internship I got, I have listed all of them, and all these you have to, if you're interested, then you have to search about these internships. You have to find more. I am just giving you the names and all the important things. So let's start with the video. This I have already covered in part 1. Now now many IITs, all the IITs, they have different internship portal. It's not that there will be one internship portal and through that you can take internship in all the IITs. No, for each IIT you have to keep a check that when the internship portal will open, and every IIT has different internship portal names also. Like CIT Roorkee ka Spark hai. Fine, like this you have to keep a check. Now here you can see एलिजिबिलिटी यूजी स्टूडेंट सेकंड टू फोर्थ ईयर. आई यूजुअली से दैट फर्स्ट ईयर में इंटर्नशिप नहीं लगती है. मैंने अपने इंटर्नशिप की जो वीडियो में, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी वीडियो इंटर्नशिप की, जो मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 ईयर बैक बनाई थी, तुम लोग वो देखोगे ना तो तुम लोगों को पता चलेगा कि तुम कैसे अप्लाई करो, कैसे प्रोफेसर्स तुम्हें लेंगे, क्या तुम्हारा चांस बढ़ा देगा इंटर्नशिप पे सेलेक्ट होने का. तो वो इंटर्नशिप वीडियो तो सबको देखना चाहिए. जो नहीं देख रहा है, इट्स देयर लॉस. ये सब तो तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा गूगल से सर्च करके, बट वो जो मैंने बोला है उस वीडियो में, वो तुम्हें गूगल नहीं बता सकता है. तो इंस्टीट्यूट्स यू कैन सी ऑल द IIT, सबका पोर्टल पे जा के तुम्हें चेक करना पड़ेगा. मैंने कुछ कुछ का डेडलाइन लिख दिया है. जैसे IIT मद्रास का 2 मार्च डेडलाइन है, रुड़की का मार्च में ही होगा, स्पार्क बोलते हैं उसको. गांधीनगर का 5 मार्च डेडलाइन है. IIT मंडी का यू कैन सी डेडलाइन इज 30 मार्च. फाइन. एंड सिलेक्शन इसका होगा CV के बेसिस पे, SOP के बेसिस पे, CPI और फैकल्टी प्रेफरेंस के बेसिस पे. अब इसलिए मैं तुम लोग को बोल रही हूँ कि मेरा जो इंटर्नशिप का वीडियो है वो जाके देखो. अब तुमको फैकल्टी प्रेफरेंस समझ नहीं आएगा कि, अब तुम जब वो वीडियो मेरी देखोगे, वो ऑलमोस्ट 15 मिनट की वीडियो होगी, तब तुम्हें ये सब समझ आएगा कि मैं CV कैसा बनाऊं, मैं SOP में कैसे लिखूं कि मुझे कोई ले ले. चलो CPI पे तो तुम्हारा कंट्रोल नहीं है, बट फैकल्टी प्रेफरेंस ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि तुम्हारी CPI थोड़ी कम हो बट फैकल्टी तुम्हें ले ले. तो उसके लिए कुछ ट्रिक्स होते हैं जो कि तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा, सीखना पड़ेगा. तो तुम्हें वो वीडियो देखना पड़ेगा. अब यहाँ पे मैं डिटेल में बनाने लग जाऊंगी तो अभी इतने सारे इंटर्नशिप्स बचे हैं, वो फिर वो बताएगा कौन तुम्हें. ठीक है, चलो. So IMSC Chennai Summer Research Program. Stipend is 200 per day, as you can see, and they will give you the train fare and all. Eligibility is UG pre-final, final year students and PG students. Duration is 6 to 8 weeks, and who are eligible to apply, you can see. And institute is Institute of Mathematical Sciences. So yeah. Either summer research fellowship program. Stipend is 12,500 per month. Eligibility is UG students, and let me be very clear: this stipend 12,500 per month, not everyone gets. Means actually, sometimes this stipend is for no one. Like when I was in third year, when I got, yeah, summer research internship at either Bhopal only. So there it was clearly written that no stipend will be given to any student. So this stipend also, this means don't believe this. I have just written because maybe at some point they would have given, but generally they don't give. They will give you accommodation and all. Yeah. So eligibility is UG students, but they may give. They may also give. They may not give. Duration is 2 months, and institutes all ISERs have summer research fellowship program. Soon ISER Bhopal का भी आ जाएगा. And selection is on the basis of your academic merit, your CPI, your SOP, research aptitude, all these things will be taken into consideration. Some professors might take your interview also. Now, JNCASR, Summer Research Fellowship Program. Many of you must not be knowing about this, but this is a very prestigious research institute. Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. Okay. Subjects you can see chemistry, physics, biology, and material sciences. Duration is 2 months. Eligibility, all UG and PG students are eligible. Stipend is 10 to 12,000 per month. I may speak a little slow because you can see there is some swelling. I got my tooth removal. Yeah. So now next. NIUS, National Initiative on Undergraduate Science. See, I also do not know about many internships in detail because I have not applied to all of these internships. When I was in my internship period, in that internship season, then I had listed some internships on my interest, and I was applying, and I was keeping a check on them only. So I have no idea about this NIUS internship program. Also, I had no idea regarding this IMSC Chennai because this is for mathematical sciences and I am from biology. I had no relation. But for you people, I have listed all the internships, government internships, which were very prestigious and they were important for you to know. So, on the basis of your subject, your interest, please select the internships which you want. And yeah. Next is physics research laboratory internship. Stipend is 8 to 10,000 per month. Please look about it in detail if you are interested in this. For duration, every internship will be around 2 to 3 months. Fine. Institute is PRL Ahmedabad Department of Space. Selection is on the basis of academic background. Fine. ISRO internship or project traineeship. So stipend you can see 8,000 to 15,000 per month at ISRO, and this is center dependent. And eligibility is UG PG students in engineering and science. Duration is 1 to 3 month. Organization ISRO, you all know that, and it's written that some centers offer stipend officially. अब IIT रुड़की का स्पार्क इंटर्नशिप, स्पार्क नाम है. स्टाइपेंड 12,000 पर मंथ. एलिजिबिलिटी यूजी स्टूडेंट्स. ड्यूरेशन 2 to 3 months होता है. सब्जेक्ट्स जो है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आईआईटी है तो सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स, बिल्कुल नहीं. आईआईटीज में बायोलॉजी तक का डिपार्टमेंट होता है. मेरी आईआईटी दिल्ली में खुद इंटर्नशिप लग रखी है, जो कि मैंने किया नहीं है क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मेरी एनसीबीएस में लग गई थी सेम टाइम पे. तो यहाँ पे जो तुम्हारे देखना कि कौन से आईआईटी में कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट है, तो उस डिपार्टमेंट के प्रोफेसर्स इंटर्नशिप ऑफ कोर्स वैकेंसी ओपन करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे बायोलॉजी, अर्थ साइंस, बेसिक साइंसेस, सब की चीज़ में इंटर्नशिप लगेगी. ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग. ठीक है. और बहुत वैल्यू होगी इस इंटर्नशिप की फ्यूचर में अगर तुम्हें रिसर्च में रहना है तो. अब आईआईटी मद्रास का समर फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम, स्टाइपेंड 15,000 पर मंथ. और आईआईटी मद्रास का ह्यूमैनिटीज डिपार्टमेंट इज सो रिनाउड and it is very well established. So यहाँ का humanities internship is great. Duration is 2 months and hostel and lab access तुम्हें मिलेगा. और या बहुत सारे IITs तुम्हें वो नहीं देते हैं हॉस्टल का फैसिलिटी. मुझे IIT दिल्ली में हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी नहीं दे रहे थे. So whenever you are applying for any internship, you have to mail professor beforehand. Even if you are applying through a portal, you have to mail beforehand so that the professor remembers you, that, oh yeah, he or she mailed me. All these things I have told in detail. Some few things which matter a lot I have told in detail in my internship video, which you should watch for your benefit. But how to structure a mail, how to read their research papers, because we don't have that much of time in, let's say in BSc first year, you will not understand also the research paper, but you have to read, at least you have to try to read. So for that we take help from GenAI. GenAI is research based platform. It is different from ChatGPT because it takes information only from trusted sources, not from everywhere. So you can upload a PDF here and go to upload sources, and here you can upload PDF. So I have already uploaded because I use this frequently. So I'll go to open PDF, and then this PDF will be open for me. This is also Jenny AI interface only. I already opened it for you. Now you can see that the whole PDF is here, of research paper which I uploaded. Now whatever you do not understand in this, you can just go here and capture a section. And let's say you do not understand this, you capture this section and you can just tell it, here's the AI chat, tell him to make you understand. Fine. And it will make you understand. I already gave the prompt, see what is this graph telling, and it made me understand. It will make you understand scientifically, and it will give very correct information. We all know sometimes ChatGPT gives wrong information also. So that's the difference. And when you are curating a mail, you can take help from Jenny AI. It will curate a mail professionally. So yeah, you can give a prompt also. I have already curated a mail. You can see this, it will do it for you. So now let's say you have done an internship and you have to submit a report. So we will waste so much of time in starting how to write. With the help of Genia, you can actually start very smoothly and easily. So how you will do that? Start with a prompt, and whatever your topic is, you just give it a prompt. So here I have given the prompt that I want to write a report for my summer internship project on, let's say, Pandanus odorifer. So I just have to write this. I'll select next. Now everything it will do. Yes, of course you have to add something, but starting is tough and that will be done. See, it has given me the template. Now what you have to do, you have to just write on this basis. Now it will write introduction, everything for you. If you like it, you just accept it. If you don't like it, you do try again. It will again write introduction for you. Keep doing it until you are satisfied. Now let's say I've done, I have accepted it. Now it will write another paragraph for me. See, and the good part is that you don't have to do citations separately. It will cite for you. Yeah. See, it has already given references here. So this is a very useful tool. If you want, you can take help from Jenny AI. That's all. Now let's move to our video. DRDO internship स्टाइपेंड इज 8,000 to 10,000. अब देखो इंटर्नशिप का स्टाइपेंड इतना कम होता है, और यहाँ पे भले मैंने स्टाइपेंड लिख दिया है क्योंकि मैं ना नहीं लिख सकती हूँ, क्योंकि ये कभी कभी दे देते हैं, बट ये मैक्सिमम स्टाइपेंड नहीं देते हैं। ठीक है, तुम्हारी अगर लग गई, यही बहुत बड़ी बात है कि तुम्हारी डीआरडीओ में इंटर्नशिप लग गई, इंटर्नशिप आईआईटी में लग गई, यही बड़ी बात है। तो बच्चे इतने में खुश हो जाते हैं। रिसर्च में ना पेमेंट ये सब बहुत, मतलब बहुत बुरा हालत है इन सब चीज़ों का। एलिजिबिलिटी यूजी पीजी स्टूडेंट्स इन इंजीनियरिंग एंड प्योर साइंसेज, ड्यूरेशन इज 1 to 6 months। या डीआरडीओ तुम लोगों को पता ही है, पूरे इंडिया में फैला हुआ है। That's it. Thank you. And you have to watch part one, because I have listed some of the most important internships in part one. And in next video, I will tell about foreign internships if you people are interested to know, or else not. See, I have a swelling. Then also I have made this video because this is internship season. So if you people genuinely need more internships, Indian ka to whatever I knew, I have told you people. But for foreign internships, I have a list. If you're interested to know, I can provide that to you. That's it. So if you like this video, please like it, and please see that internship video which I have made approx 1.5 year back. That is, these things you can get from internet, but whatever I spoke in that you will not get anywhere, because that is very honest type of video, and that will increase your chance of selection. Maximum people have good CPI, and maximum people have same knowledge, but professor can take only one or two at a time. So what makes you different from others? That I have told in that video. You have to watch that video to increase your chance of selection. That's it, and thank you. Have a nice day.